You got a shotgun?
What you got on the boat?
I don't have anything that'll kill a snake.
You need to go get your pistol from the house, Jeff?
I'm glad
It didn't look that small. Oh, there it goes.
Hey, here.
He wants out.
There.
Yeah, turn it upside down again.
Yeah. Mom, you always wanted new fan. Just drop it.
I don't want to break it. If you just leave it real still, it'll come out. He was already coming out.
Yeah, he's already coming out.
He don't want to be in there no more.
Too much commotion going on.
Yeah, he climbed the wires, went through the
There he is.
There he is. I see him
Hey,
coming out.
Oh my God. Wait a minute. Here.
Oh, just toss him over
Yeah,
the
hurry
fence.
up.
Okay, go.
Don't let him go into my house.
what is that little bug?
You're not one of those chickens.
What is it?
Yeah, it's just a chicken snake.
Is it? Yeah.
Like you're one around.
Open his mouth.
No, he just a chicken snake, flathead.
Oh.
Yeah, it don't have a V.
Oh, yeah.
No viper.
Yeah.
Throw him in the field over there.
Throw him over there. He won't come back this way.